Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, I'd like to say hi and I hope you enjoy this video and consider subscribing. So this video is going to be another Dollar Tree DIY. It's kind of a farmhouse spring or Easter theme kind of thing. You can use it as a centerpiece or just on your counters or on a shelf, but it turned out really cute. And like I said, all the things that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree, except for the chalk paint. Some of the things might be older from Dollar Tree, but it's all from Dollar Tree. So first we're going to start off with this pot that I got a couple years ago from the Dollar Tree. It used to be red, but I went ahead and painted it, I think last year, more of like a ombre effect, but I'm going to paint over it with this chalk paint. And yes, I should have waited to put the dirt in, but I didn't, so we're just gonna go at it and hope I don't dump it all over. So then next, I also purchased these grasses at the Dollar Tree, and they come in bigger clumps, so I'm just going to take them apart and they just slide off really easy. Then you just stick them into the dirt wherever you want them, and you kind of want it to, look like real grass. That's one of the reasons I used real dirt, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree. And I didn't know that, but you can. It comes in a little purple bag, I believe. But I was wanting it to look kind of real, so that's why I went with the dirt, and I thought it would be easier to place the grasses in where I want it. These flowers are from the Dollar Tree, and they're just one of the taller stems, so just look for those, or pick whichever ones you like the looks of. And then we're just going to pull them off, kind of like we did the grasses, and they slide off really easy. And then you just hot glue them wherever you think would look cute, and as you can see, the glue is kind of stringing everywhere, but you can just pull those off after it's dry. I thought this would be cute as like a candle holder, and I only had a small real candle, so obviously I'm not going to light it. But if you have one of the the battery powered candles that are smaller, I think that would look so cute with it flickering. But like I said, I didn't have one on hand. I did have this larger one, kind of just to give you the idea of what it would look like, but it's pretty big for this pot. I would go with the smaller ones, but you get the picture. Also, I thought this would be really cute to just put some of those fake plastic eggs in, or maybe leave it with nothing in the center, and then you could put little eggs in when you're doing Easter egg hunts. I just thought this was super springy and Eastery if you wanted to add eggs or carrots, which I'm going to show you how I made mine in just a minute. Okay, for the carrots, you can see I already have one done. I'm going to use dirt, the same dirt that I got from the Dollar Tree, double-sided sticky tape and masking tape. a roll of twine, orange paint, and the chalk paint if you want to tone down the orange, and also the leftover grasses. You can use a regular Ziploc bag, or I had these little snack size bags. And what you're going to want to do is fold in the sides so that you kind of make like a carrot shape, I guess. And then we're just going to fill it with dirt just to give it some bulk. After doing it this way, I would suggest maybe filling it with some sort of like maybe pillow filler, or like toilet paper or cotton balls or something, because the dirt was kind of messy and it fell out some of the time that I was trying to paint it. But it was a first for me. I was just trying to make one, and I had the dirt on hand, so I thought it would be fun to try. So then you're going to want to take the double-sided sticky tape and put a strip down the front, and also put a strip down the back. That way it holds the twine in place. You can also use hot glue, but I didn't feel like dealing with the mess today, so I just went with the double-sided sticky tape. And then you're just going to just start wrapping and get looser with the twine as you get to the top. That way it keeps the carrot shape. And then once you get almost all the way to the top, if you have some dirt like kind of squishing out, go ahead and dump it. And then you're going to stick in the grasses just for the carrot topper. And then I just cut off the Ziploc part because it was kind of hard to fold. So I just cut that off and then taped it so that the dirt wouldn't fall out. And this is where I would suggest the cotton balls and stuff, because the tape didn't always hold in the dirt. So we're just going to keep going with it though. I'll show you how I made this one. So then I went ahead and after I taped it, I added some more double-sided sticky tape and wrapped all the way up to the top with the twine and tucked the end in the very top. And now we're just going to paint it with the orange paint. And like I said, you can just go ahead and use the bright orange. You could leave it just the twine color like I did that other carrot in the background. Or you can go ahead and mix the orange with the white. And this is kind of a messy project, but it's fun. They have a really rustic look to them. And you might even want to just buy the ones that are pre-made at the Dollar Tree. They're a little bit smaller, but they look similar to the orange one they're wrapped in. I think it's in an orange yarn. I haven't gotten them, so I don't know, once you open them what they are. But I thought this looked really cool. I would have made some changes, but it was my first time making those, so... So I thought the end result of both of these projects were really cute and perfect for the upcoming holiday or just springtime. Let me know what you guys think and what you would do differently for these projects. And let me know if you're going to make them. I would love to see them if you do. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I want to say I appreciate all of you, and I love the sweet comments that I've been getting and all of your support. And I want to say welcome to anybody new that's watching, and I hope you consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!